My dividend portfolio is currently above $25,500 and I've recently added 2 new positions to it. These 2 companies are going to play a big role in helping me reach my short-term goal. And that short-term goal is collecting $100 monthly in dividend income. An extra $100 monthly of dividend income every single month would help really speed up the process of compound interest. And it would help grow this portfolio with less and less effort over time. Eventually, over the years, our dividend income will be the only thing we have to reinvest to continue growing our portfolios. We'll never have to add another penny out of our pocket again. We're also going to go over how much money this portfolio is currently making me and how much money it's going to take to get me to $100 monthly. Before we get started, if you enjoy making that sweet, passive dividend income each and every single month, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. We're on the path to reach 1,000 subscribers here on the channel, and I would love for you guys to be a part of it. Thank you guys as always. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Johan Lorenzo, and in this channel, I show you how an everyday guy like myself with a regular 9-to-5 job can use the stock market as a tool to build generational wealth. At first, this stuff seems really confusing, but I promise you, just like I learned this, you will eventually learn this too. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and come along for the journey so you too can start making that monthly dividend income. So my dividend portfolio, aka the financial freedom portfolio, currently has 6 different holdings in it, and 2 of the most recent ones are Home Depot and Starbucks. With Home Depot, I'm currently holding a total of 6 shares. If you own shares of Home Depot, they are currently paying you $1.90 for every share you own. These 6 shares make me a total of $11.40 every quarter. My goal is to continue growing this position and add another 21 shares. That would put me at a total of 27 shares, and I would be making $51.30 every time Home Depot pays me a dividend. Looking at Starbucks, I'm currently holding 12 shares of the company, and for every share I own of Starbucks, I get paid a 49-cent dividend. That means Starbucks is currently paying me a dividend of $5.88 every quarter. Although this might seem like a really small amount right now, it doesn't bother me because I know this number will grow over time as I keep adding shares of Starbucks. My goal is to add another 40 shares of Starbucks to this portfolio. That would put me at a total of 52 shares. Once I get to 52 shares, Starbucks would have to pay me a dividend of $25.48 every quarter. Everything else is pretty much the same. I'm still working on getting my Apple position to 100 shares. I currently own 76 shares of Apple. I own 15 shares of Microsoft, 100 shares of Store Capital, and 30 shares of SCHD. My income calendar here shows you how much I'm getting paid every month. Once again, it doesn't seem like much, guys, but it's the start of something great. You guys will be here to witness it. Each one of these monthly payments will grow as the months pass. Eventually, every month will pay me over $100 of dividend income, and that's just the start. And how am I going to get there? Well, here's my plan for the short term. Not only will I be adding shares of Home Depot and Starbucks over the next several weeks, but I will be adding another $15,000 to the portfolio, and I'm going to be spreading it across a few different stocks. These stocks are Main Street Capital, Realty Income, and Store Capital. Investing $15,000 into these 3 companies would get my portfolio past the $100 mark of monthly dividend income. For anyone who is starting out for the first time or anyone who is a new investor, just remember this: it takes time. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Building real wealth takes time. There's gonna be days where it sucks and you're gonna be short on money and you can't buy stocks. I'm here to tell you that is okay. Most people go through that when they first start investing. I remember when I first started investing, I was buying $100 to $200 worth every single month. I couldn't afford to purchase anything more than that. I was in the process of paying off my school loans and I had just started my first real job. I wasn't making much money to begin with. But today, I can honestly say I am so glad I stuck with the process and fought through those days where I just wanted to quit investing altogether. There were days where I just wanted to grab my money and run for the hills. I was basically forcing myself to live on a paycheck to paycheck situation because I was investing every penny I had left after paying off my bills. And those days sucked. And there was no magic trick, no secret story. It was just giving it time and good old nitty gritty hard work. So if you're going through it right now, keep your head up, keep fighting, keep pushing forward, because eventually you will have a bigger portfolio and you will be in a much better financial situation. I had to sacrifice 2 years of my life and literally work my ass off. 75 hours a week for a whole 2 years. It was actually a little more than 2 years, but regardless, I missed out on a lot of gatherings, a lot of birthday parties, a bunch of vacations. I had to work and pick up extra shifts in order to make this happen. All of that hard work paid off, and now I make over 6 figures investing and trading in the stock market. And looking back at it, I wouldn't have it any other way. If you want some good, fast dividend income, then check out this video right here. I want to thank you all for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.